If you're an admin looking to connect your Microsoft Teams workplace with Fireflies, this video is for you. Here's how to set it up from scratch as an admin. In the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, go to Users, Guest Access, and toggle Allow Guest Access to On. This is required for Fireflies to enter your Teams meetings. Now, let's make sure Fireflies doesn't get stuck in the lobby or blocked by verification checks. Still in the Teams Admin Center, go to Meetings, Meeting Policies. Select the policy you want to edit, usually Global. Scroll down to Meeting Join and Lobby Settings. Under Who Can Bypass the Lobby, select People in my org and guests or everyone. Then, under Require a Verification Check, choose Not Required. This ensures Fireflies can join your meetings without manual approval. Finally, if you're using Microsoft 365, double-check your meeting settings and meeting policies. Make sure anonymous users can join a meeting is turned on. Once these admin settings are in place, go to your Fireflies dashboard. On the left side menu, click Integrations. From the list, find Microsoft Teams and click Connect. Sign in using your admin credentials. Once integrated, you'll first select Microsoft Teams, then choose the channel where you want Fireflies notes to go. You can even run a quick test to make sure it's working. If you're on a business or enterprise tier, there are also additional options like filtering which types of meetings Fireflies should capture based on things like the meeting title. Now it's time to invite your teammates. On your Fireflies dashboard, go to Team Invite Teammates. Enter their Microsoft email addresses and send invites. They'll get a link to join your Fireflies workspace. Finally, to bring Fireflies into a Teams meeting, either invite Fred at Fireflies.ai as a participant when scheduling your call, or add it to a live meeting from the Capture button, or simply adjust your default auto-join settings. As per your preference, when the meeting starts, Fireflies will automatically join and capture everything. Once the meeting is done, you will find your meeting notes inside your Fireflies dashboard and also within your Microsoft Teams workplace under the chosen channel. Fred didn't show up? Head to the meeting status page to see why it didn't join. Accordingly, check your Microsoft settings or fix the stated issue so it doesn't happen next time. With Fireflies and Microsoft Teams working together, your meetings are now fully searchable, shareable, and stress-free.